All right, folks, here we go. We're rolling. Wednesday morning. Markets are a little weak heading into the open. We got some big inflation data due out here in about 45 minutes. Consumer price index expectation is this number is going to come in north of 5% year over year. That's a big number. If this number comes in hot, or hotter than expected, I should say, we could see this dollar rally hard against some of these other currencies, particularly against that yen. We've seen a lot of yen strength as of late. We're seeing a bit of a reversal ahead of this number, so something to keep an eye on. Other markets, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, as I mentioned, all weaker ahead of this data. Oil, relatively flat, trading just above $83 a barrel in WTI. Seeing cryptos a bit weaker this morning. Again, this is a big data point, arguably the biggest data point of the week, so let's get ready for it. Let's have a strong Wednesday, get in there, trade some price action. Oh, and by the way, happy birthday to my fellow Marines out there, all my devil dogs. Semper Fi, 246 years, running strong. All right, let's have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.